Hi, how's everybody doing? It's Big Shot Sports Cards on eBay. Today we're going to be talking about sports cards and taxes. One of the most dreaded times of the year. I certainly hate it, and I know a lot of other people do too. But I'm going to show you how I do mine. Uh, Sorry, wrong page here. So what I do is I use a website called My Reseller Genie. It's kind of like QuickBooks. It really helps if you're a reseller. Um, So I have my eBay account linked to here. So you go down to integrations, you can see Big Shot Sports Cards, eBay. Uh, this is an inventory management, profit, everything. It'll show it to you here. And this and that 605 on eBay. That's my page where I sell non-sports cards items. Um, so what we're going to do, we're going to talk about how we do this for our taxes. It makes it pretty easy. Yes, it's a lot of work. Um, I don't think everybody needs to do it if you're not really like selling full time or anything like that. But if you are a full time reseller, I think it is very important to do this. Um, you can go right here, you can pull your data. Like I just uploaded some new cards just because I wanted to show you that in this video. So you go to pull data, you go up here, gives you a notification, review pending inventory. So you can go right there, click that, and give it a second to load. So you can see right here, these are the cards that I just listed. I'm probably not going to fill this all out right now, but it's just letting you guys know kind of what it looks like behind the scenes. Celestial, Joel Embiid, Bradley Bill, Minimastery, White, Prism, etc. So usually I buy and sell a lot of cards off of eBay or um, you know, sports card shows, things like that. For what I do whenever I buy a card on eBay to resell on eBay, I just download the spreadsheet. So you can come here, you can this is all my purchases from 2020 to 2023. It's a lot, thousands of purchases, um, which I've resold quite a few for quite a bit of money. You can click right there, search on it, Embiid. Now, this is a free um, spreadsheet, and I'm sure there's better options out there, but I don't want to pay for stuff. So you can see here, we go through, and these are just pulling up all the Embiid cards that I bought. And I'm not sure when I bought this. It looks like right here, uh, March 8th, 2023, $5.50. I put all the cards that are being added in yellow. So then I go up here and put in 550 March 8th, 2023. And then you can save that. Since I'm not going to do a full on thing and do all of this, I'm not going to do that right now. I've just shown you how you do it. Technically, you could probably be adding your taxes that you pay on a card or whatever, or any item. For garage sale listings, we don't have that because we pay cash for that stuff. So when you do that, then you can come up here to sales. And I'm just giving you a quick rundown. I don't want to take forever in this video showing you guys all this. Now you can see uh, for this year so far, we've gathered $6,199 in profit. That's after, um, you know, fees and shipping and all that is taken out. So it's been a pretty good month. Then you can come down here. There's a list here I'm just going to scroll down a little bit to some stuff I already filled out. I've gotten behind here a little bit. So for example, you take this Derrick Rose, you can see right here, sell price was $23.98. I paid $6.01, cost $4.08 to ship it. Transaction fees, all that. Then you get to back here, then you got your gross profit is $10.26. So I made $10.26 after all the fees and everything. You could click up here, go to management. This shows your inventory balance. So right now we have a $34,000 inventory balance. This month we did $11,000 in sales. Cost of goods sold, other cost of goods sold, which is like fees. Gross profit for the month, $6,200. Yeah, so it's been going pretty good. Another thing you can do here is this is what your tax preparer would probably really like you to be able to do. You can go to your profit and loss statement. So, for example, run report. So income for the year to date so far, and you can do this for the whole year. It doesn't really matter. 11,700. This is the refunds. Your cost of your inventory sold. So inventory sold is what you paid for the item. It is a write-off. You can write that off. Listing and platform fees, 338. Shipping costs, 1,299. Shipping fees, 74. Transaction fees, 1,600. And that's how you get your gross number. Really good program. I think a lot of people like to use it. There's a lot of stuff you can do here. You can add inventory if you're putting your inventory in other websites that are not eBay. You can also use this to pretty much do anything, expense details. For example, you can put in your mileage, things like that. But the biggest thing is with cards, if you keep track of them, and again, some people don't. This is just what I was told by my tax preparer. Keep track of them. You can go here, you can see inventory. You have everything that I've purchased here, and it keeps it in the management part, it keeps it up there so you can know what your balance is, so you can know if you need to buy more, buy less, whatever. I always just buy more because the more you have, the more chance you have to sell stuff. I get the logic is kind of stupid, but whenever you're in a position to be able to do that, you want to grow your business, you always want to be buying more stuff. So for taxes, you can write off about anything. You can write off gas mileage, you can write off your internet, your phone bill, um, your utilities. If you work from home, you can write off a portion of your house. It doesn't really matter. You can write a lot of stuff off. So when you see, oh, I made $50,000 this year, but you start deducting it, it really helps you to avoid those big tax penalties, which nobody likes. Um, if you take a look at reseller reports, we'll just do my last year, 2024. Sorry, entire year, run a report. So this shows you we did $120,000. It does have some Mercari sales there. I really got to catch this crap up before I go do my taxes. Shows you sports cards. We did 57,000. Our thrift items we did 66,000. Cost of inventory sold, so we spent 23,000. And then it says our gross profit was 55,000 off, and I got some things that are deductible in here. But what you got to remember is $23,000 is money that you're not getting taxed on that you made. So technically we made around 78,000, give or take. Not a bad year. I appreciate you taking your time out to watch this. I was just trying to keep it brief and give you an idea of what we do behind the scenes. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment. Thanks for watching. Bye.